BMW 1 Series and 3 Series ABS reluctor ring, and ABS sensor replacement. I would recommend using quality parts. First, you need to take off the wheel. Then you can loosen the E12 screws from the drive shaft. Remove the nut, and then you can press the shaft out with a special tool or punch it out with a hammer and an extension. If you do so, put the nut back on so you don't damage the thread from the drive shaft. On the reluctor ring, you can see now spots where it rubs on the speed sensor what causes the ABS problems. We're also changing the speed sensor because these get damaged too. You can see again that the ring was already touching it. Remember how the cable laid before removing the old one. Clean the surface before you put it back on. Now change the ring. Take the old one off and remove the rust from the drive shaft before you put the new ring on. If it's not going on, heat it a bit to make it easier. Use a hammer to slightly hit the ring but don't damage it. Then put the drive shaft back. Punch it in with your hand. Don't use tools, they damage the drive shaft. And don't pull the joint too much apart. While doing so, putting it together is not easy. Tighten the screws and the nut slightly with an impact gun, and then with a torque wrench. For the left side, it's basically the same, you just need to loosen the exhaust, and behind the differential is little bit space to get the shaft out. Here you can see the same problem. When you're done, clean the fault codes. You need about 2 hours for both sides, left takes longer.